Jai Hind everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome you all in Shri Ram Public School online classes. As today we are going to see who are the historians and what are their resources through which we are going to learn about the art history. Historian use the different type of the sources to learn about the past depending upon the period of their study and the nature of their investigation. Here they have written what are the sources, but before understanding this, let me understand what is the meaning of historian. Historian is like the person, those who investigate about the past, or we can the historian use the different type of the sources to learn about the past depending upon the period of their study and the nature of their investigation. Last year, for example, you read about the rulers of the Gupta dynasty and the Harshvardhana. In this book, we will read about the following 1000 years from roughly 700 to 1750. It means that approximately uh, more than 1000 years about the history we are going to study about in this topic. You will notice some continuity in the source used by the historian. Means what are the sources used for representing by the archaeologist or we can say the historian that we are going to study in this chapter. For the study of this period, they will rely on coin, inscription, architecture, textual record for information. These all are the different kind of the sources which they were used for representing the history. But there is also considerably discontinuity. The number and the variety of textual record increased dramatically during this period. That time, slowly but gradually, textual record means where they can be written the information was increased dramatically. They slowly displace other type of but there is also considerable discontinuity. The number and the variety of textual record increased dramatically during this period. They slowly displaced other type of the available information. Means as the sources are changed, developed, the olden sources they replaced with a new one where they can keep the record about the history. Through this period, the paper gradually become the cheaper and more widely available. Means slowly, which was past historians supposed to making the it means that widely which were they using as a coin or archaeologist for inscription of their study. This when the paper was innovated, that time they were started making their historical study in the paper. People used to write on a holy text chronicle of the rulers, letters and when the papers are started available, the people used to write the holy text chronicle of the rulers, letters, and the teaching of the saints, petition, and judicial records. And for the register of account and taxes, for all such doing things, the people are users to paper. A manuscript were collected by the wealthy people, rulers, monasteries, and the temple. They were placed the libraries and archive. The manuscript and the document provide a lot of the detailed information about the historian, but they're really difficult to use. That's why, as the paper introduced, they started writing all such information in the paper. There was a no printing press in those days, so scribe copy manuscript by hand. Like today we are having various printing press with us which help us to keep the records like that. That time it was not available, so right, that's why the people are using the paper for keeping the records. If you have ever copied a friend homework, you would we know that this is not a simple exercise. Sometimes you cannot read your friend handwriting and are forced to guess what is written. Like that only that time difficulties was also there. But today we are not having such difficulty. The reason behind that today, as we know that all such information was typed on the Google and was stored. That's why it is very easy to understand that language also. Those wording also. As a result, there are a small but significant differences in your copy of your friend's work. Manuscript copying is somewhat similar. As a scribe copied manuscript, they also introduce small changes, a word here, a sentence there. These small differences grew over a century of copying until the manuscript of the some text become the substantially different from the one another. This is the serious problem because we rarely find the original manuscript of the author today. We are totally depend upon the copies made by the later subscriber. It means that whatever the real historian, the real author wrote about the history, that was also we have lost it. The which we studying nowadays, the manuscript which are available in our museum or somewhere, that is copied. So what they did, they just copied out, but they never understand what they are writing. This is the difficulties was arising, due to which whatever we studying about the past or history, we can't say that that is 100% accurate. As a result of historian have to read different manuscript version the next same text to guess what the author had originally written. On occasion, the author revised their chronicles at the different time. The 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Baran wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later. The two differ from each other, but the historian did not know about the existence of the first version until the 1960. It remained the lost in the large library collection. This was the difficulties. Means उस टाइम पे जो हिस्ट्री के रिकॉर्ड भी रखे गए थे जिनको हम आज यूज़ करते हैं अपने स्टडी के लिए. देखिए क्या होता है, जब भी हम पास्ट को परफॉर्मेंस को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं, देन ओनली वी कैन एबल टू मेक द न्यू चेंजेस, टेक्नोलॉजिकल इंप्रूवमेंट इन आवर फ्यूचर. बट इफ़ वी डोंट हैव अ पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस बेस, सो वी कांट डू द एनी चेंजेस इन द फ्यूचर. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नीडेड. लेकिन जो पहले के ज़माने की हिस्ट्रीज़ के रिकॉर्ड थे वो सारे के सारे मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट थे, आर्कोलॉजिस्ट पे बेस्ड थे, और वो सारे के सारे अभी डैमेज हो चुके हैं, अवेलेबल नहीं है. लेकिन अगर हम ये कहें कि आज से 100 साल बाद की अगर कोई हिस्ट्री स्टडी करना चाहे तो उनके लिए इतनी डिफ़िकल्टीज नहीं होगी, क्योंकि सब कोई जानता है कि आज जो भी रिकॉर्ड्स है वो हम सब कुछ गूगल पे स्टोर करके रख रहे हैं, जिसका लॉस्ट होना बहुत ही रेयर चांसेस है और ना के बराबर है. ओके, सो टुडे वी स्टॉपिंग हियर ओनली. इफ़ यू हैविंग अ डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क मी इन द इवनिंग लेक्चर. टिल दैट, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. जय हिंद, टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे.